Welcome to GitKudu Study. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to programming computers to do tasks that normally require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, and understanding language. It is like giving computers the ability to think and make decisions on their own, similar to how humans do. AI helps machines learn from data, adapt to new situations, and perform tasks without being explicitly programmed for each step. Why is artificial intelligence important? Artificial intelligence (AI) is important because it helps make our lives easier and improves many aspects of society. It allows computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI helps in various fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment by providing better solutions, automating repetitive tasks, and even discovering new insights from large amounts of data. Ultimately, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, enhance efficiency, and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence (AI) is that branch of computer science that creates intelligent machines that think and act like humans. It is one of the revolutionizing technologies that people are fascinated by because of its ability to relate to their daily lives. AI enables machines to think, learn and adapt, to enhance and automate tasks across industries. Artificial intelligence has many subsets that focus on different aspects of mimicking human beings. Machine learning is one of the popular subsets, whereas the others included are deep learning, natural language processing, and robotics. Features of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technology that aims at replicating human intelligence. It has numerous applications across various sectors, from enhancing customer experiences to disease diagnosis. Some key features of AI are: ability to learn. AI systems can improve their performance eventually by learning from data and past experiences. Logical decision making. AI systems are fed with large amounts of data to understand and recognize patterns for analysis and decision making. Adaptability. AI systems can adjust and adapt to changes in data. Efficient automation. AI would efficiently execute repetitive tasks and processes. Versatility. AI can be widely applied for various tasks across all fields like businesses, automotive, health, and many others. Why to learn artificial intelligence? AI is one of the growing technologies, and learning AI would help build a career in a field that is high in demand. It opens up to various job opportunities and helps you stay intent with evolving technologies. It enhances problem solving skills, automates processes, and can be applied to various industries, from business to healthcare. Who should learn artificial intelligence? This tutorial is prepared for students at the beginner level who aspire to learn artificial intelligence. This course is also helpful for professionals aiming to enhance their skills or an entrepreneur trying to integrate AI with their business. Professionals in software development, data science, and engineering would find this artificial intelligence tutorial especially relevant to enhance their careers. Applications of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming various industries with its ability to automate, make decisions, and enhance the efficiency of various tasks. As it is known for its versatility, some of its applications are: healthcare. AI in healthcare is used to assist in tasks like diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, and drug discovery. Finance. AI is used for fraud detection, trading and stock market analysis, and customer service through chatbots. Manufacturing and industries. AI optimizes production processes, improves quality, and identifies machinery failure. Agriculture. AI helps combine technology with agriculture by analyzing soil conditions. Transportation. AI helps in designing autonomous vehicles. Some other tasks include traffic management and route optimization in maps. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are AI applications to improve user engagement. Entertainment and media. AI helps in content creation, personalized content recommendations, and target advertising. Safety and security. AI enhances threat detection and automates security measures. Jobs and opportunities. Many companies require highly skilled individuals in AI. As companies integrate AI into their operation, there will be a need for individuals to implement it. Some roles that companies hire are machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI research scientist, computer vision engineer, NLP engineer, AI product manager, AI marketing specialist. Prerequisites to learn artificial intelligence. The basic knowledge of computer science is mandatory. Knowledge of science, mechanical engineering, or electrical engineering is a plus. Before deep diving into artificial intelligence, there are a few skills and concepts that one should focus on, which includes mathematics and statistics, knowledge of any programming language such as Python or R, basics on data structures and data handling techniques. Getting started with artificial intelligence. Getting started to learn AI involves a few steps, which helps build a solid foundation. Here is a brief guide on the steps that can make you strong in the fundamentals of AI. Master prerequisites. AI is complex, so you can only get deep into the technology if you have interest and enthusiasm. The first step is to master prerequisites, which include an understanding of basic mathematics and statistics along with learning a programming language and data structures. Learn AI algorithms. Artificial intelligence is all about algorithms like searching and sorting. So if you get familiar with algorithms, you can ace AI. Getting to know AI tools and frameworks. The final step would be learning to handle AI frameworks. This is a practical step and requires prior theoretical knowledge. Some popular tools and libraries used to develop and deploy AI models are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Practice with real data. Practicing AI algorithms on real data that is collected from various websites or apps would help understand the working of AI in real-time scenarios. What are the types of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, can be broadly categorized into three types. Narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform specific tasks or solve particular problems. It is good at what it is programmed for, like playing chess or recognizing speech, but it can't do tasks outside its programmed scope. General or strong AI. General AI would have human-like intelligence and could perform any intellectual task that a human can. This level of AI doesn't exist yet, but it is the goal of many AI researchers to create machines that can think and learn like humans. Artificial superintelligence, ASI. This would be an AI system that surpasses human intelligence in every way. It would be capable of understanding, learning, and solving problems far beyond what humans can comprehend. ASI is still purely theoretical and raises significant ethical and existential questions. What are the applications of AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is used in various applications across different fields. Virtual assistants. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, helping users with tasks such as setting reminders, answering questions, and controlling smart devices. Healthcare. AI is used to analyze medical data, assist in diagnosis, and develop personalized treatment plans. It also helps in drug discovery, medical imaging interpretation, and monitoring patient health. Finance. AI is used in fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, and customer service in the financial sector to improve efficiency and accuracy. Autonomous vehicles. AI enables self-driving cars to recognize their surroundings, navigate safely, and make decisions on the road, potentially reducing accidents and improving transportation. Recommendation systems. AI powers recommendation algorithms used by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify to suggest personalized content based on users' preferences and behavior. Natural language processing, NLP. AI is used in NLP applications like language translation, sentiment analysis, and chatbots to understand and generate human language. Robotics. AI is essential in robotics for tasks such as object recognition, path planning, and manipulation, enabling robots to perform complex actions in various environments. Gaming. AI is used in gaming for creating realistic virtual opponents, generating dynamic game environments, and enhancing player experiences through adaptive gameplay. What is the future of AI? The future of artificial intelligence, AI, holds exciting possibilities. AI is expected to continue advancing and becoming more integrated into our daily lives, from improving healthcare and transportation to enhancing entertainment and communication. We may see AI powered technologies becoming even smarter and more capable, enabling them to solve complex problems, make decisions autonomously, and adapt to new situations. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on jobs and society, so it is important for us to consider ethical implications and ensure that AI is developed responsibly. Overall, the future of AI promises innovation and convenience but also calls for careful consideration of its implications to ensure a positive impact on society. How to learn artificial intelligence? To learn artificial intelligence, AI, start with understanding its basics and learning programming, especially in languages like Python. Dive into machine learning, focusing on algorithms and frameworks, and then explore deep learning techniques for neural networks. Practice with projects of increasing complexity and stay updated with the latest advancements in AI through reading, following experts, and participating in online courses or competitions. Can AI take over the world? In simple terms, AI cannot take over the world like in science fiction movies. While AI is powerful and can perform many tasks, it doesn't have intentions, desires, or emotions like humans do. AI systems are created and controlled by humans, and they only do what they are programmed to do. However, there are concerns about AI being misused or causing unintended consequences if not developed responsibly. It is essential for humans to ensure that AI is used ethically and for the benefit of society, rather than allowing it to control or harm us. Who invented artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, does not have a single inventor because it is a field of study that has evolved over many years with contributions from various scientists and researchers. However, the term, artificial intelligence, was coined in 1956 by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert A. Simon during a conference at Dartmouth College. They proposed the idea of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. Since then, countless individuals have contributed to the development of AI through research, experimentation, and innovation in areas like machine learning, robotics, natural language processing, and more. How to use artificial intelligence in mobile apps. Artificial intelligence, AI, can be integrated into mobile apps to enhance user experience and functionality. Developers can use AI for personalization by analyzing user data and providing modified recommendations or content. Voice assistants powered by AI enable hands-free interaction with the app through voice commands. Predictive analytics can be implemented to anticipate user behavior and offer suggestions or notifications. Features such as image recognition and natural language processing allow for advanced functionalities like object identification, augmented reality experiences, and chatbots. Additionally, AI-driven security measures such as biometric authentication enhance app security, while smart automation streamlines processes and improves efficiency within the app. How is AI used in education? In education, artificial intelligence, AI, is used to personalize learning by adapting content and pace to individual students, provide instant tutoring and feedback, automate grading processes, and identify learning gaps through data analysis. AI also helps create and curate educational materials, facilitate language learning, and improve accessibility for students with disabilities, enhancing the effectiveness of educational experiences.
For more videos, like, share, subscribe. Good Kudu Study.